Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Azam, Chief Market Analyst at Trade, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel. And in today's technical segment, we'll be looking at Ethereum, which is getting very close to that critical resistance of 3,000, and we'll explore in a lot more detail later on. Before we do that, as always, it is important for me to go through this disclaimer, which is right in front of you. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask me. Now, folks, we are going to look at Ethereum. First, what we're going to do is we're going to begin the conversation by looking at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have three different moving averages to begin with. In pink, you have your 50-day simple moving average. Followed by that, we have your 100-day simple moving average, and finally your 200-day simple moving average. Now you can see on the daily time frame that the price has been in a very strong uptrend. The reason for that is the price hasn't tested since this November, or even actually since October last year. The price never tested the 100-day simple moving average. Yes, we had a violation of a 50-day simple moving average in around here and another one over here, but then price quickly reversed its direction and moved back above the 50-day simple moving average, which confirms that bulls are very much in control of the price. But one particular thing that we really kind of need to pay attention to is that as the price has made a new all-time high of that 2700, and if I can just look at it, give you the exact price, it made a high of 2713 today. At the same time, what we need to pay attention to is that the price is trading quite away from its 50-day simple moving average, and this means that the price has gone too far and too fast. But at the same time, given the fact that we have seen this tremendous momentum, and remember folks, in our previous analysis we have talked about price touching and testing that 3,000 price level, and in the short term it could potentially reach that 5,000, and the long-term target is price touching all the way to that 10,000 price level, because it is widely believed in the market that Ethereum is massively undervalued and it has a massive potential, and the price could easily reach that 5,000 to 10,000 because investors and institutions are massively buying this particular coin. So based on that, we are seeing that big momentum, especially in the last few days. And this is quite intriguing because if I compare the price action to Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin is still very much struggling. It is still trading below that 50-day simple moving average. Yes, the bullish momentum is back and the price is trading above that critical level of 100-day simple moving average, but it is nothing in comparison to Ethereum, which certainly is a move, has a massive momentum behind it. Now the question really is, can this momentum continue? When can we see a slowdown in that momentum? The first way of noticing that would be on the 4-hour time frame, and if that happened, we could see the price coming towards the 50-day simple moving average, which is just trading a little bit below that 2400 price level. So that could be your potential support level right around this particular 50-day simple moving average, or in other words, your previous resistance. Now, another important time frame that we need to pay attention to is our 30-minute time frame, and it is our 30-minute time frame that where we need to keep an eye on, and where the 50-day simple moving average is trading. So once again, our support zone in relation to that is going to be between 2597 to 2613, because this is where your 50-day simple moving average is trading. as long as the price continues to trade above the 50-day simple moving average, we will continue to see the price moving to the upside and further advancing its a price from here towards that 3,000 price level. However, if we do see that weakness creeping in and the price breaks below the 50-day simple moving average, then we are likely to see the prices falling towards the 100-day simple moving average and retest that 25.28 to 25.45 sort of a price level, which is still quite ahead of that 4-hour time frame where the 50-day simple moving average is trading, or in other words, where that 2300 sort of a support level is really trading in. So to summarize, we are looking at the following price levels. First of all, we are looking at the 50-day simple moving average, and so you're gonna see that if the price can really sort of hold that 50-day simple moving average, and that is trading in around 2599 to 2611, and following that, if the price breaks that particular price level, then we are gonna be focused on the 100-day simple moving average, which is trading in around 25.28 to 25.45. However, if the price continues to break that, then we are going to be focused on that 23.65 to this particular price level, where that 200-day simple moving average is trading on the 30-minute time frame as well. So more precisely, that particular price is going to be something just in around over here, so just like 23.97 to 23.65. So we have three different important support levels to look at, and in terms of resistance, that 3000 is very likely and realistic price level that we could see, provided that the price stays above that 50-day simple moving average and the 100-day simple moving average. And the medium term target could be potentially at 5,000, with a long-term target being at 10,000. All right, that's all for now, and I'll see you guys next time.